Seryoso na yun, ah.
Lumlay, the connection between me and Madulimay was not my intention. I am sorry this had to be done. I am really sorry, but neither of us can help it. Why don't you go out and join the dancing woman?
I don't want any man. I don't want any other man.
If you know very well that I don't want any other woman, either you know that, don't you? Lumlay, you know it, don't you?
Yes, I know. Neither can you blame me.
No, you have been very good to me. You have been a good wife. I have nothing to say against you. It's only that a man must have a child. 7 harvests in just too long to wait. Yes, you have waited long. We should have another chance before it's too late for both of us.
You know that I have done my best. I have prayed to Kabunyan much. I have sacrificed many chickens for my prayers.
Yes, I know.
You remember how angry you are once you came home from your work in the terrace? Because I butchered one of our pigs without permission. I didn't face Kabunyan. Because I like you. I wanted so much to have a child. But what could I do?
Kabunyan does not seek it for us to have a child. I came home, but I didn't find you among the dancers. Of course, I'm not forcing you to come if you don't want to join my wedding ceremony. I come to tell you that Madulimay, although I am marrying her, can never become as good as you are. She's not strong in planting beans, as not as fast in cleaning water jars, not as good as keeping a house clean. You are one of the best spies in the villages.
This has done me any good, has it?
House is yours. I built it for you. Make it your own. Drive it in as long you wish. I will build another house for Madulimay.
No need for a house. I'll go to my own house. My parents are old. They will need my help in planting of the beans, in pounding of the rice.
I will give you the field that I dug out of the mountain during the first year of our marriage. You know I did it for you. You have to make it for the both of us.
I have no use for any field. Go back to the dance. It is not right for you to be here. They will wonder where you are, and Madulimay will not feel good. Go back to the dance. I would feel better if you will come back and dance for me for the last time.
You know that I cannot Lumlay. Lumlay, if I did this, it is because for my need for our child. You know, the life is not worth living without a child. The men have mocked me behind my back. You know that.
I know it. I will pray that Kabunyan will bless you and Madulimay.
It will not be right to die.
I know it. I will pray that Kabunyan will bless you and Madulimay. I don't care about the field. I don't care about the house. I don't care anything but you. I'll never have another man.
Then you'll always be ruthless.
Then I'll go back to my father and I'll die.
If I do not try a second time, it means I'll die. Nobody will get the field. I'll clean out the mountain. Nobody will come after you.
Did you fail? Did you fail for the second time? No. No. I don't want you to fail.
If I fail, I'll come back to you. Then both of us will die together. Both of us will vanish from the life of our side.
I'll keep my bead. Oh, Leo, let me keep my bead.
You will keep the beads. They came from far off time. My grandmother said they, nung night, they are worth 20 pills.
I'll keep them because they will stand for the love I have for you. I love you. I love you and I have nothing to give. Awiyaw! Awiyaw! They're looking for you at the dance.
I am not in a hurry.
The elders will scold you. You had to better go.
Not until you tell me that I'm right with you.
It is alright with me.
I do this for the sake of our life.
Awiyaw! Awiyaw! Awiyaw!
Okay, go! Alright, go Raisa! Raisa!
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding in my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. I got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Get to the club in my taxi cab. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls on around me. It's definitely not a Nashville party. Cause all I see is the letters. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the DJ dropped my favorite tune. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney